Hey you guys, today we're gonna go ahead and prep this basket, and all I'm gonna do is remove any stickers on here, anything that's in the way of my decals. Super easy to remove. I picked it up at the dollar store, and look at how fast that was. That was super easy. Now I'm also gonna go ahead and use this organizer with a lid, and I also picked it up at the dollar store. This one comes in a plastic, so you don't really have to clean it unless you want to. It's optional. You can go ahead and clean it as well, but it actually comes out really nice and clean since the plastic holds everything together. So we're gonna go ahead and make these two. I'm gonna go ahead and add decal to it. I'm gonna add a decal. So go ahead and grab some alcohol. This is the one I'm using. You can use any kind you have, and wipe it down. We're going to wipe it down and make sure it has no smudges, no fingerprints, nothing in the way of our decal sticking to the container. So once you have that ready, it's going to dry super fast. The alcohol dries super fast. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and add a happy birthday decal with the Fortnite dance right there. As you can see, they're the Fortnite and they're dancing. So for the other one, I'm going to add happy birthday, and I'm going to add the mustache. So I'm making two birthday ones, but separate. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make both of them. Once you have it ready, we're going to go ahead and add our transfer tape. As you can see, I already did that. And I'm going to add this right on top of the lid. I thought they were so cute, especially since he likes Fortnite. Go ahead and scrape it down nice and firm. You want to make sure that once you lift the transfer tape, the little dancing Fortnites do not come out. Once you're ready, go ahead and peel it off nice and slow. You don't want them ripping off. And look at how fast that was. It actually came out super fast, and it came out perfect just the way I wanted it. Look at how cute that is. Those are the little Fortnite characters. Now I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to go ahead and add the happy birthday. I'm going to go ahead and add it separate because I printed it separate. No, I printed it together and I cut it for some reason. I don't know why. So if you print yours together, don't cut it. You're going to go ahead and add it together. Press it nice and firm so nothing moves. Then we're going to add the birthday as well. So it's going to say happy birthday. It's going to be so cute when it's ready. Take your time. If it lifts, go ahead and just press it down. And I'm going to remove the transfer tape right there so I get an idea of where I'm going to add the birthday. And I'm going to add it right next to it, not touching though. I'm going to go ahead and press it down. And then once you have it pressed down, you're going to go ahead and remove your transfer tape. See, if it lifts, go ahead and press it again. Don't be scared. You're not going to break anything. Go ahead and press it again. And take it off nice and slow. And it's going to stay. And I love the way it came out. I think it is super cute. It says happy birthday. And on the top, you have the little Fortnite characters dancing. Look how cute that is. And that's going to be a gift idea right there. Like a small gift. Now, for the next project, I'm going to do a birthday basket. And I wanted it to say a birthday. Happy birthday, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my transfer tape. And I'm going to make sure I put it exactly where I want it. So go ahead and measure this if you need to. Use a ruler. But I'm going to eyeball it like always. And it came out perfect. And then go ahead and scrape it down nice and firm. You don't want anything lifting once you remove the transfer tape. But look at how cute that is. And I decided to do it in black since black looks really nice on these baskets. Even though I have done color. So it's optional. It's up to you. This is going to be for my husband, so I'm going to add the mustaches at the end. I thought that would be really cute since I'm doing the whole mustache theme for him. Now make sure you have it nice and press it down. Go ahead and press it nice and firm before you remove your transfer tape. Take it nice and slow. Remove that transfer tape. And look at how gorgeous it came out. It came out perfect, like if I paid for this. I love the way I'm using this decal and this vinyl. Everything has been coming out great. So far, I enjoy making all these little projects. I cannot stop. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you can go ahead and see everything I come up with. And give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'm also going to go ahead and link my Instagram, my email, where I got the decals from, and where I got the vinyl from. I'll have all that information for you down below so you can go ahead and go through it. I'm going to go ahead and add another mustache on here. I thought it would be very cute. Look at how cute that came out. To add one more, I'm just trying to figure out where I want it before I add it, because once you place it down, you cannot lift it. Let me tell you, once you place down this vinyl, you're not going to lift it up. So just make sure you press it down, or you place it down where you want it to stay, and then press it nice and firm, and then lift your transfer tape. And there you go. Look how simple that was. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Look at how cute that is. So thanks for prepping these gift ideas with me. I hope you guys like them. I hope you make your own. And if you do, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you came up with or how you made yours. But yeah, it is adorable. And the next video, we're going to go ahead and make the basket. So that's going to be nice and fun. So I just wanted to prep it with you so you get an idea of what I'm doing or what I'm thinking at the time of the project. But I love this. Isn't this cute? This is those little Fortnite players. You could put change inside this container. I think that would be cool. And until next time, bye you guys.